Today we are going to be doing a recipe for, and it is a sequential as well as a reading assignment. When you are doing this, you need to read the passage very carefully, and then you're going to put some sentences into sequential order. Sequential order means which came first, second, and so on and so on. You can look back in the section if you don't remember the order that they happened in. Good luck. Now, this is called a recipe for riding the bus. So you'll need to read through this, and then you have these sentences down here, A, B, C, D, E, and F, that you're going to decide what order they came in. Now, what you can do is while you're reading, if you've read through your sentences below, you can highlight. So the first sentence says, decide where you will go on the bus. That's the first sentence. Now, when I look through my sentences A, B, C, D, E, or F, wait for the bus, read the bus schedule, put your money in your pocket, pay the bus driver, watch and listen for your stop as you ride, be sure you're getting on the right bus. That sentence is not summarized down here. It says, read the schedule to find out which bus to take. If I come back down, wait for the bus, read the bus schedule. So I look at this one and I see it right up here. And that is the first thing that came. So what I'm going to do is in box number 1, I'm going to put the letter B. Then I can go back up and look for this next sentence. The schedule will also tell you the time your bus runs. Wait for the bus, put your money in your pocket, pay the bus driver, watch and listen for your stop as you ride, be sure you're getting on the right bus. Didn't read, see that sentence down there. It says make sure your pocket does not have a hole in it. Now put the money in your pocket. I remember reading that down here. It said to put your money in your pocket. It says now put your money in your pocket. So they're not stated directly, but they're close. So I can come back up and I can write C in number 2. You're going to continue through the paragraph and your sentences, writing your letters up in these boxes. And when you are done, don't forget to submit to me through Canvas when you are done. Good luck. See you later.